Fantastic. Let me start now the formal introduction of someone who I know and I admire a lot on a personal level. We are very glad to have Mr. Sahil Nair today as for a special Corporate Connect session. Sahil currently is a Senior Associate Director for HR with KPMG. I'm sure everyone knows KPMG. He's been there with them for over a decade, and he's been with them in different functions, supporting functions like tax, management consulting, and business consulting, the Center of Excellence, so on and so forth, across the entire HR life cycle. He's someone who's passionate about talking to youngsters such as yourselves and me. I call myself a youngster even now, of course, in business schools about human capital, about the future, and about leadership and development. He is an alumnus of Mumbai University, where he's done his master's. He also does LLB from Mumbai University, and he did his bachelor's from the HR college in town. With all of that, he is a phenomenal speaker. If you see people, they'll always, the testimonials about Sahil is that he's someone who truly inspires. So my message to you on the screen today, to all of you, is please be inspired, and please make sure you ask things, whatever you need to, so that you can get inspired, because truly there's only one Sahil Nair around there, and you're very lucky to have him today afternoon with you. With that, Sahil, it's all over to you.
Thank you so much, Aditya. You've been really kind with your words. I'm not sure how much of that I deserve. Maybe I'll leave it to all your students to validate it by the end of the session. But nice to see all of you on video. Some of you all are still booted and suited with ties up. So maybe you want to loosen them, be comfortable. I'm in a t-shirt myself, so be absolutely relaxed in the comfort of your home. I hope all of you are doing safe and you guys are healthy. But nice to see all of you. Like it typically goes, Aditya asked me if I want to test the screen share option. Maybe he thought I'll have some nice fancy slides to show you, like a typical consultant, some nice business models, and some interesting jazzy fancy PowerPoint slides. So I'm really sorry if I'm going to be disappointing you, but I have no presentation, because I believe people who use PowerPoint are the ones who don't have power in their points. And therefore, I know Ratik is waving out to the person right behind him saying, I'm on a call, don't disturb me. But Ratik, that's absolutely fine. We are actually encroaching into the space of our family members. So if people are coming in and out in your background, or asking you for tea, coffee, or asking you, Mera bachcha thoda breakfast khalo, it's absolutely fine. All our parents do that. Aditya is sipping his favorite coffee, and enjoying it. So each one of you can do the same. I'm going to be absolutely chilled out. I have no problem. Even if you have 5 people in your background, or if Spandan is sitting in the wonderful garden, enjoying himself, he may in some time even start reclining like that at the back. So I'll know that he is dozing off. But Spandan, don't worry. I will ask you a question to ensure that you're awake. So having said that, guys, honestly, I have no presentation, but of course, I have a couple of perspectives that I wanted to share with you. And I thought, in the way the world is moving to a storytelling format, maybe we'll share with each other a couple of stories. We'll share a couple of perspectives. Thodi aap baat karenge, thoda main baat karunga. We'll hear a little bit from you, and I'll share a little bit. But before we get into all of that, Aditya, once again, thank you so much for having me. It's always a pleasure being associated with your school. I know with the amount of passion that you've been running this, and it's very close to your heart. So wishing you and all the students all the very best. And as we get started, guys, I think the next 1 hour is ours, right? Ye agla 1 ghanta hamare liye hai. So let's make the most of it. And maybe if you want to unmute yourself, I won't really say use the chat, but if you're an introvert, Saturday morning, still sleepy, hungover from last night, you can use the chat. I know some of you are struggling to keep your eyes open, which is okay. So you can use the chat, but otherwise, if you want to unmute yourself, why don't you tell me, what are you expecting from this session? And you can be very candid, you can be very honest, because I am here for you, right? And therefore, it's important for me to know what is it that you're expecting, and then we'll play ball accordingly. Fair deal? इंडिया में ऐसे करो समझ में नहीं आता ये हाँ है या ना है या ये है या ये है. Typical Indian behavior. Very confusing. All right, so you guys got to unmute yourself, or you want to fire on the chat. The choice is yours. But I'm going to patiently wait. I know Rathik is unmuted himself. So Rathik, first mover advantage.
So actually,
Rathik, no sir, no sir. Sahil. Sir is for senior people like Aditya. We are all chilled out, you know, we are millennials, bro. So just Sahil, no sir and all that.
Okay,
and you want to get the jacket off, you seem like my boss. You remind me of someone very senior. The jacket वैके निकाल दे. किसने बोला देखो पहनने के लिए?
I mean,
सर ने बोला था.
हाँ?
सर ने बोला था.
सर ने बोला था. अच्छा साहिल आ रहे हैं तो थोड़ा impression जमाना है. So be
I always know how Sahil is chilled out. So I always tell my kids, be dressed up. Then if Sahil is okay, dress down. That's okay completely.
No. Be comfortable, guys. I don't mean to break your protocol, but Ratik, तू comfortable है ना? सांस आ रही है ना देखो?
Yes, definitely.
चल ठीक है, बोल.
So I'm actually an HR enthusiast myself as well. So I like reading up about HR. So I just wanted to know a little bit more about the enormous potential which is there in this field, and what the future of HR looks like.
Brilliant. You want to put this on the chat so that then we don't forget, and I'll maybe do a roundup with everyone. And the moment you unmute and speak, just go onto the chat and just type future of HR and potential of HR. Put it as bullet point 1, 2, and then people can keep putting 3, 4, 5, and we'll build a list, and then we'll do some rapid fire fun. I don't know Aditya is going to give the hamper to whom, but we'll figure it out. Okay, Rathik.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Who's going next?
Sir, may I?
Who said sir? Deepa.
Sorry,
Deepa, what is the
Sahil,
process to
Sahil.
leave the room? Please leave. You to be a
But I
fast
said
learner.
it.
Athena is known for people who are fast learners. Come on.
Okay, Sahil, I'm also a HR enthusiastic. Means from beginning only, I didn't imagine my life in finance or in marketing. I have always been a management person, and I'm looking forward.
झूठ बोल रही है.
Okay. No
HR
problem.
speaker आया है तो HR की तारीफ करो.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, go on. I'm kidding.
Okay, so I am looking forward from this session is like the various process you carried out in the organization, how you deal with the situation, the recruitment selections. I have been an intern in an organization, but still I'm little of confusion, like what is recruitment exactly does, what selection in an organization carried out the processes. So I'm looking forward that.
Got it. So Deepa, 2 things can you put on the chat? One are the fields or specializations within HR. And the second question is typically from your experiences in HR. So if you can put both these questions, I'll be happy to share on both.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that what you wanted to ask, Deepa?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, let's go on. So 2 down, who's coming third?
May I?
Go for it, Shreya.
Okay, so from the beginning, I've always been a marketing advertisement person. And at a point, I genuinely felt that HR is kind of boring. So I really want to see what's really interesting about it. What if it can pull me towards it, what would attract me towards it? So that's what I'm looking for.
Superb. HR guys make very beautiful rangolis. So if you're a creative person, you should make rangolis. We'll come to that. Why don't you just put the question on the chat, Shreya, and maybe I'll show you a video when we get started and we'll play on from there. Because Aditya has requested me to share my screen, so I have to keep him happy.
Yes.
So let's move on. Who's next?
May I?
Yeah, Akshay, go for it. Tanvi, were you next? Tanvi, you want to go next? Lovely.
Yeah. So Sahil, I want to hear or listen something your experiences, some of your experiences, and learn what you learned from that experiences.
Kya baat hai. You remind me of Zakir Khan. वैसे तो मैं बहुत सख्त हूँ, अभी मैं पिघल गया. Your experiences wherever Sahil piglified. Okay, got it. Okay, put it on the chat, Akshay. We'll come to that. What's the maze behind you, Akshay?
What side?
तेरा virtual background बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
सर बनाया हुआ है.
क्या बात
Downloaded
कर
from
रहा है?
internet.
Like you done Karoshia?
No, sir. No, Sahil. I just downloaded from the internet.
Okay, lovely, lovely. Hey, Tanvi.
Hi, Sahil. Yeah, so I wanted to know your views on finance tech and the future of banking and everything.
Got it. FinTech. Okay, lovely.
Yes.
Okay, keep
Can
putting it
I
on the
go?
chat, guys. Yeah. Hey, Janvi.
Yeah, so I come from a psychology background, so most of my questions are psychology related. So I wanted to know about how psychology impacts HR and also the policies, how they bring about an impact on someone's psychology or their development.
Lovely. Guys, beware. We have a psychologist in the room. She's analyzing all your behaviors. So be very careful, okay? Okay, Janvi, lovely question. Psychology, interrelation with HR. What's the correlation? How does it have an impact? Brilliant. Okay. Question close to my heart. So we'll spend some time on that as well. Yes, who's coming up next? Yeah, go for it. No, may I go for it, Amrita.
I love helping people. I didn't thought I would do specializing in HR. But when I help people or when I talk about something, I get nervous. So after this session, I want to bring changes in myself that when I talk to some person, I want to be confident enough, or when tomorrow when I'm representing my company, I have to be confident enough to talk and put my points over there.
Okay, got it. Please put it on the chat, Amrita. We'll pick it up from there. Yes, who's going next?
Sir, may I?
Nabil, you lost your chance.
Sorry.
Adri boy. Pucho.
Just Sahil, I wanted to ask that every time I hear that in an organization, HR plays very important and vital role. I want to know that why. There are finance, marketing, and advertisement too, but why HR is given more of preference over them?
But do you believe in that, or that's something you only heard?
No, I also believe in that, but I want a specific reason behind it, like from a particular person who have been through that journey.
Okay. And Nabil, is this your natural, beautiful voice, or thoda accent maar ke baat kar rahe ho?
No, sir, this is only my voice.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can ask my colleagues over here.
Okay. And are you an RJ also? Huh?
No, sir.
Nabil, thoda sa rap karna.
I am very bad at it.
Oh, come on. We'll all join you. Thoda karna hai. Which song do you want Nabil to rap on, guys? Come on. He said, all my colleagues will vouch for me, so let's support him. Nabil, you turned your head to your right. Sweetie turned her head to her left. What's happening? You guys best friends? Nabil has gone on mute. He's not even talking. He's saying, boss.
He's super blushing, yeah. He's super blushing.
I know. Nabil, when you do this, in corporate meetings, you know what we do? When we do this, we're actually on the mobile phone talking to someone else. And we're on mute on the Zoom call. Nabil, why are you so quiet?
I have no idea what to say.
This is exactly what you need to know how to do. If someone puts you on a spot like this, how do you come out of it? You
It's
want to
like,
phone a friend? You want to phone a friend?
no, not really, sir.
But you have to get out of the spot. I'm putting you on a spot. See, Deepa is enjoying all the fun. वो हंसे जा रही है देख साहिल इसकी ले रहा है.
So it is a natural thing. When one's leg is pulled, everyone enjoys.
No, but there are some people who our psychology friend is feeling very bad कि देख यार ये नबील की क्यों ले रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा इंसान है. ऋतिक रोशन इन कहो ना प्यार है वाला लुक है इसका. On the ship. Naveen, why are you so serious?
No, I'm not serious. I am totally blunt, like what to say right now.
So do phone a friend karo. See, Gitanjali is putting her hand up. She wants to help you. Whose help do you want to get out of this situation? Because abhi to maine aapka gala pakad liya hai. You need to free yourself out.
So, but by which means I am going to be free of it?
Okay, so let's do reverse psychology. What am I trying to do with you, Nabil?
You want me to rap a song?
But what am I trying to do with you? बाकी सब के मैंने सुन लिया, expectations मैंने chat पे डाल दिया, मैंने छोड़ दिया. We kept moving ahead. मेरी सुई आप पे आके अटक गई. अभी क्या करोगे आप? How do you ensure that I move to the next colleague of yours? आपको छुटकाना पाना ना. You want to get rid of me, right? So that I move to the next student. How will you do that? Be happy I'm not a girl. And be happy I'm not gay. Now tell me, how will you get rid of me?
Basically, Sahil, I don't have any clue.
But Nabil, that's not the answer. No, where is the curiosity? You're an Athena School of Management student. Come on. You can't give up so easily. We won't let you fail. We will help you succeed. Think. There is a fictitious person called Sahil who is after Nabil Qadri's life. Nabil has to get rid of Sahil very politely, very respectfully, because Sahil is Nabil's guest. How will Nabil get rid of Sahil? So that Sahil moves his attention to the next student and continues with the session. Guys, are you with me? You know why I'm doing this, right?
Yes.
Are you guys with me or are you guys lost?
No, we are with you.
Oh, yeah,
Wonderful.
yes, sir.
मोदी जैसा बोलो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, आगे बढ़ो. Come on, Nabil. Let's not waste time. You can phone a friend if you're stuck. You can pull out anyone and say, please help me. Hrithik Shenoy is gaming. He has already reached the next level of Mario. Take his help. He's had the mushroom. He's become big Mario now. Nabil, why are you finding it so difficult to ask for help?
So, but to whom and what help shall I ask? I don't know.
Brilliant. So what is the problem statement? Let's start with basics. What is the problem statement? Don't kill me for this, but abhi tum bakra ban gaye. Navi, I will sit here till 6 o'clock in the evening, trust me. And Aditya will cancel all your other guest lectures and classes. But we have to crack this. Varna mera ye aane ka matlab nahi.
So, but why me?
Very good. Brilliant question. Why me? Now answer that question. All of us say that. You're not wrong, Nabil. You're absolutely right. Even I ask myself so many times. I ask God also so many times. Why me? Mere saath hi kyun? Why me? What next? Ab ho gaya tere saath, chalo. What next?
Where's the situation?
प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या है? नबील देखो, प्रपोज नहीं कर रहा हूं, इतना सोच मत. People are losing patience.
Sir, to be honest, this was the first time I spoke when a guest lecture came and this happened to me.
Brilliant. And this will be the first time you will speak maximum in the whole class, because after this, the true Nabil will come out. The rock star Nabil will start talking. तेरे अंदर का बच्चा जो जिसको तूने दबा के रखा है ना, उसको हम खाना खिला रहे हैं आज. बरकत है नबील, बरकत. खाओ. बरकत समझते हो?
Yes, sir.
What is Barkat? Can you please explain it to Shreya? Shreya's lost.
Barakat, right, sir?
हाँ, Barkat.
Blessing.
हाँ. Blessing. It's a blessing. The child within you has been. जानवी समझ रहे हो ना साइकोलॉजी? उसका अंदर का बच्चा बेचारा, तुम लोगों ने सब कोलीग्स बन के मार दिया उसको. हम उसको भी आज जिंदा कर रहे हैं. चलो नबील बोलो, जल्दी से बोलो. समृद्धि is getting paka out. She's saying आता माजी सटरली. लवकर लवकर चला. भाऊ, fast, come on. Why me के बाद? What is the problem statement? Come on. I'm not going to leave you, brother. In case you think I'm going to leave you, and Aditya will say, Sahil, छोड़ दो, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. मैं नहीं सुनने वाला. और ना ही वो बोलेंगे मुझे, because he knows my style. बुलाया है, तो भुगतना पड़ेगा. And there is a purpose why we are doing this. I want you to feel every single emotion. Why me? Brilliant. What is the problem statement, Nabil? Come on.
You want me to do something I have never done before?
Okay. That is the problem statement?
I guess.
Okay, very good. Then you said, I need someone's help, but I don't know whose help to take.
Yeah.
Can you take somebody else's help for you to do something that you have never done?
No.
Why no? You can take encouragement from people, no? You need, what do you need right now? Problem statement. What does Nabil Qadri need right now to do something in his life that he has never done? Amrita, are you with me? Wonderful. Yes, Nabil, come on, quick. You're warmed up now. Warm up ho gaya session abhi. Now let's play the match. Nabil, I'm going to continuously make life difficult for you. Aditya will put the spotlight on you as the host. Everyone will see only you. Do you want that?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy on Zoom to put the spotlight on someone and pin your video. He will pin your video and he will make you the host and you will become the spotlight. चाहिए आपको? नहीं चाहिए तो फटाफट बोलो. Gallery view में सबका चेहरा दिखता.
So, but literally, I have no idea what to do right now.
That's okay. Problem statement क्या है? I want you to do something you've never done, correct?
Yeah.
Will you do it or will you not do it? You have a choice.
If it is optional, I won't do it.
Why will you not do it?
Because I have never done it before and I'm not comfortable in it.
Fantastic. You're not comfortable. But if I make it mandatory, you'll do it?
Yeah, I guess.
I guess. Why do you need someone who is a stranger, who is an external person like Mr. Sahil Nair to make something mandatory for you? Question number one. Question number two. My making it mandatory is going to make you act. But your own choice of doing something is not going to make you act. Who has the power? Sahil has the power or Nabil has the power?
You have the power in this case.
Correct. Brilliant. Are you comfortable with me having the power or would you like to be powerful?
It's honestly speaking, I would like myself to be powerful.
Fantastic. So honestly speaking, how do we make Nabil powerful? Guys, Nabil is just one example. We all have a Nabil within us. Yes or no? In different forms and shape, we all have a Nabil within us. पापा चिल्लाते हैं, हम पापा को कुछ बोल नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो बड़े हैं. We respect him. हम सुन के लेते हैं. Yes or no? Who has the power? Papa. I have to attend lectures on video. Who has the power? I have to pick this specialization because my uncle is taking this specialization. He is the CHRO, this company. HR is a very good career. I don't like HR. I don't like people. I like sitting in a corner reading a book. Come on, Nabil, we are with you. We are together in this. Quickly tell me, if you want to have the power with you, why don't you want to be powerful? You want to be powerful, Nabil?
Yeah.
You want to move outside your comfort zone or you want to remain in your comfort zone?
I want to step out of it.
Fantastic. So if you want to step out of your comfort zone, do you want to do anything? I'm not saying rap. Do you want to do anything that you have not done till today, right now, right here?
Yeah, till my maximum potential I can.
Fantastic. What do you want to do?
Like in future goals, something? Or...
Right now, future कुछ नहीं है. अभी के अभी, इधर के इधर.
Honestly, I want you to stop questioning me.
Wow, brilliant. When I am questioning you, what is it doing to you?
Torturing me.
Torturing you. Why are you feeling tortured?
Because what do you say? The clock has stuck on my name.
Your clock is stuck on your name. If I do the same thing with a Spandan, how will you feel, Nabil?
Then I will enjoy the show as the rest of them are enjoying right now.
Fantastic. Now, if the rest of the people were not enjoying, but they were very, very feeling pain for you, they were feeling empathy for you, they had unmuted themselves and they said, Nabil, come on, you can do it. We are with you. How would you feel, Nabil?
A bit motivated, some kind of thing.
Correct. If they came and told you, Nabil, no problem. Who is Sahil? Sahil तो कहाँ अभी आधे घंटे पहले हमारी जिंदगी में आया है. We are batchmates. How long have you all been in a batch together?
Approximately a month.
A month. So 30 days versus 30 minutes. So if in the last 30 days they said, Nabil, we are with you. Sahil is an outsider. Let's go and prove it to Sahil that Nabil is a rock star. How would you feel?
Great.
Would you move outside your comfort zone?
Definitely.
Definitely, not even possibly. Guys, hear him. He's saying definitely.
So if someone is backing you and there are majority of people, then why won't you step ahead and do something if someone is placing hope in you?
Brilliant. So Nabil, ideal case scenario to combat the torture that Sahil is doing on Nabil. Nabil is looking forward to so many of his colleagues on the call, the 20 plus people on video, to come and support him. But unfortunately, for whatever reason, they're not supporting you. What choice do you have, Nabil? Can you continue feeling tortured, or can you do something based on your own capability?
I can do something based on my capability.
Are you sure?
Be tortured.
Are you sure you can do something based on your own capability?
It is better than to feel tortured over here.
Very nice. So Nabil is telling us that he can do something based on his own capability because it is better than feeling torture. Nabil, are you just saying this, or will you actually do something to get rid of this feeling tortured? Because Sahil is useless. He's going to continuously keep doing this. What will you do to tell Sahil, Nabil? Because otherwise Sahil will come back and tell you, you're only talk, you're only bull talk. Pak, 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 pak. Nothing Nabil can do. He will just remain feeling tortured. And he will feel like a victim. Why me? Nabil, you want some water? Not feeling nice?
No, sir.
Feeling tortured? Or you want to come back, move out of your comfort zone, break the shackles? See, still nobody is coming and helping you. A 30-minute person has more power than a 30-day of friendship. And we talk about induction, we talk about ice breaking. You all had an induction session? You all came together as a batch? You all are colleagues for 30 days? Nabil, bolo.
Yes, sir.
क्या हो रहा है अभी? Come on. Sahil is not going to leave you. You will continuously feel more and more tortured.
You can ask.
Ratik has unmuted himself.
You can ask me to do it if you want. I'm ready to help you out. Though I don't
Even
know how
me,
to.
Nabil,
देख
Nabil, be
Nabil,
extrovert.
Ratik
Say-
ऐसा
You
बोल रहा है
just
जैसे तेरे
start
ऊपर
rap.
answer
एहसान
the
कर रहा है.
questions.
Nabil, Ratik is sounding as if he's doing a favor on you. If you want my help, I can help you. See, I am suited, booted. तेरे पास तो suit भी नहीं है. You're wearing a waistcoat. मेरा BlackBerry का suit तेरे सामने. You want help? I'll give you a favor. बोल नबील, क्या चाहिए देखो? Deepa said something, but I silenced her. Your mobile is ringing, but you are silencing your mobile. The child within you is crying, Nabil. उसको भूख लगी है.
Sir, can I ask a question over here?
Ask as many questions as you want.
So what?
This is a safe space for us to talk. This recording will not go anywhere. Don't worry.
So for what cause is this all happening?
Brilliant. Repeat the question loudly. Remove your hand from your mouth.
I asked that for what cause is this all thing happening over here?
Have you studied cause and effect theory?
Which theory?
Cause and effect.
No, not yet.
Okay. Newton's law.
Yeah.
School में पढ़ा था?
Yeah.
Which law you studied? There's only one law which I'm sure you will remember. Other two you might not remember. Newton had 5 laws, right?
3, not
3
5.
only.
Hello, Akshay is helping you. 3, very good. Sugam nodded his head but didn't unmute himself. तो थोड़े-थोड़े तुम्हारे अभी दोस्त बन रहे हैं. रतिक तुम्हारा पहला दोस्त बन गया. उसको तो बचपन से कीड़ा है, first mover advantage. तो वो आ गया तेरे साथ. I will help you, but एहसान करके चला गया. दीपा बोली, but मैंने दीपा की आवाज बंद कर दी. Sugam only nodded his head, and Akshay said 3. Very good. So Nabil, why is this happening? See how I'm digressing. I'm taking you on a trip where I want to take you. Why are you not forcing me to answer the question you asked me? Who has control?
Yeah.
I or you? You like it if I have control?
Definitely not.
Or you're just saying, "Arey yaar, Sahil is such a senior person. My dean of my college has invited him. How can I challenge him? It is not right. I will get bad feedback. My grades will get impacted. Oh, my marks." Are those thoughts bothering you? Or are you saying कि साहिल तू बाहर मिल ना मेरे को, मैं देखो बताता हूँ. मन में क्या चल रहा है नबील, बोलो. What's happening between the space between your 2 ears? हाथ हटाओ मुंह से. बोलो बोलो बोलो. And this is, by the way, this is not a ragging session, Nabil. Stand up, be a man. Russell Peters video देखा है, Be a Man? देखा है कि नहीं देखा है?
देखा है sir.
तो फिर Be a man. Come on, tell me, Nabil.
My offer wasn't a favor. Like, if you like, I'm more than willing to help. If you want me to rap instead of you, it wasn't a favor. I'm
Sir,
not
but
asking.
for what cause I should rap over here?
Ah, brilliant. Ratik, you are going to solution. You are giving Nabil first aid. You know what you're doing, Ratik? To band-aid दे रहा है उसको. हम open heart surgery कर रहे हैं, तू उसको बैंडेड दे रहा है. You're saying I will rap for you. His deeper question is, what cause is this happening with me? Ratik, help him there. Anyone on this group. Today you may think it is
Because-
Nabil. Tomorrow it could be you.
Because
And reflect in your own life, guys. Each one of us, including me, have faced all of this in our lives in some form or shape. In school, in college, in growing up. As you get to the corporate world, this will play out as your story very differently. And then after 30 years, when you see this recording, which I'm sure Aditya will keep very carefully, and when you come for an alumni meet, he will play this out to you. And at that time, you guys will laugh because that time you will be CEOs of companies. And Nabil, when you give me a job after 30 years, when I'll become an old man, you will tell me, see, Sahil, because of this, I am who I am today. But forget all of that. Let's not go into future right now. Ratik, you were saying something.
Sahil, I was just saying that maybe this is to help him get out of his comfort zone, because once you do something that you're not comfortable with, then the next time you will automatically be able to do something. So like we had some singing sessions at Athena as well, and I don't know how to sing at all. But when I did it the first time, I was able to do the next activity much more confidently as a result of that.
Sahil,
Just
may I add something?
Yeah, Spandan, go ahead.
I have been through such situations. It's like a stress interview. So, because in such kind of situations, no one is going to help us, because we are the only person who is facing the interview, and we have to only have such thoughts to make such solutions so that we counter that. And you are
Spandan, pause for a minute. Pause, Spandan. Hear what you're saying and see what impact is it having on Nabil. You're talking to an audience. He may not be face to face with you. You're in a virtual environment. But as you are talking, look at his facial expressions. See what he is experiencing. Are you making him feel better, or are you giving English and justifying?
No, sir, I'm not justifying. I am just saying, sir, it's the bitter truth, sir, because
Samjha, but does Nabil need to listen to the bitter truth now, or you think he already knows it?
he
He's
knows it.
intelligent enough to know it. So then how are you value adding? तुम उसको वही बोल रहे हो जो उसको मालूम है, और वो जो तुम्हें help मांग रहा है, तुम उसको help दे नहीं रहे हो. Yes, Prathamesh.
Yeah, sorry for coming late, but Nabil, I'll just say one thing. If you just give one solid reply to Sahil sir, he'll just say, yeah, this guy has some guts and he has got some confidence in him now. And I'll just take someone else right now, and I'll just leave him for a while. Just one solid answer makes a difference. That's it.
Nabil, Prathamesh बोल रहा है pungi बजा दे. Ritik is having maximum fun, staying on mute. Nabil, देखो यही दुनिया में ऐसे लोग होते हैं.
So, sir, but I think Nabil, Sahil is thinking that you are powerful and you can handle whatever is going on now. So maybe so you can do it, whatever he wants to do it. He thinks that you are capable of doing that. Only somewhere you are going getting pressured within yourself. So
May I say something, Sahil?
Nabil needs to feel comfortable listening to you. I'm not the victim.
Okay. Nabil, get out of your we have seen you in the classes also. You are always a चुपचाप वाला बच्चा. So अभी अच्छे से जवाब दे दे, एक जवाब दे दे, हो जाएगा काम. प्रथमेश ने बोला ना, एक जवाब दे दे, then say it's done from my side. Now you बलि का बकरा किसी और को बनाओ.
लगा ले. कल चेस का जो कॉन्फिडेंस तेरा वो
Yeah, that confidence, use that. And we all know you will do it.
short rap बोल और खत्म कर. If you can.
Sorry, Akshay, didn't hear you. What were you saying?
I said the first question was to just rap a song. So please rap and End it. And if you are rapping, I will help you. I will join you. I will not help you. I will join you.
I'll give
Okay.
you the music. I have my flute beside me. Enjoy.
So Sahil, which one you want me to rap? I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Enough of it. Yeah.
Enough of it. Guys, are you hearing what Nabil is saying? Nabil, what is enough of what?
The torturing I am being through since 15 minutes, I guess.
And now no more torture.
Yeah, no more.
But no more for 15 minutes or no more for the rest of your life?
No more for the rest of my life. And I'm sure if someone like Sahil comes to me and tortures me like this, no, the second time I won't handle it.
Wow, brilliant. And what will you do the next time a Sahil comes to you and tortures you like this?
I'm gonna slam on his face like whatever he says, I'm going to do it. Done and dusted at that time.
But why will
I
you
can.
wait for the next Sahil to come? Why not now? Do it now.
So that
Otherwise,
was
Nabil is only puck. Come on, Nabil. Why are you waiting for another Sahil to come in your life?
So that was I was saying that. See me, what should I rap? I'm ready to rap.
But rapping is not my problem.
So,
We moved on from rapping 30 minutes back. We are focusing on Nabil feeling tortured right now. And Nabil is finding an escape route. He wants to rap so that
Nabil,
Sahil
can I
goes away.
say something?
Of course you can say. We are all together. It's not Nabil. It is all of us who are going through this together.
Yes. So first thing that I personally feel should be done is to get an answer from whoever the person is in the powerful position and keep putting your focus back there, because unless you know the question, you understand the question, you're not going to get to the answer. And a person in a powerful position is going to keep pushing you on that. It could be something else after 15 minutes, but once you get the answer to the question, you can deal with it better. And you can keep asking more questions to further put yourself in a powerful position.
Janvi, you sound like a research scholar, yeah. I should do my PhD as you as being my guide.
Actually, I've been in this position before and I've asked so many questions that my boss was done with me. So
Really, but practical. Nabil wants a practical solution right now.
Yeah, but
I
I
very
feel
good and
that
academic view bahut acha tha. Give Nabil a practical solution.
I feel that you should keep asking the question about why this is and what, and figure out according to the question what you should do further.
Chalo, Nabil, now she's given you a practical solution. You want to implement it?
yes, if it can be implemented, I should, I guess.
Who will decide whether it can be implemented?
You need to have the confidence yourself and put yourself in the powerful position. You can ask the question. And you can keep asking the question.
Till, Janvi, till. You can keep asking the question till. Answer or
you figure out what you want to do.
No, go back to the feeling. Till.
Yeah.
So you
till
the next person.
Huh?
Till you're either in a powerful position or you're comfortable with what is happening.
No, till you feeling. I want the feeling word. What was Nabil feeling?
Get rid of torturing. Get rid of.
Correct.
Till you're not feeling tortured.
But not feeling tortured is not a space Nabil wants to be in. Nabil wants to be in a happy space. So what is the opposite of torture? Till Nabil feels
Comfortable.
Comfortable is neutral.
Confident.
Peaceful.
Confident.
What is he lacking today? Who has the power?
You.
I have the power. What should Nabil feel?
Powerful.
Absolutely. Brilliant. So Nabil, you should keep asking questions till you take away the power from me and you feel powerful. Possible, or this was only a professor who came and gave a lecture and went away? Or we will practically do it.
No, if it is possible, if someone builds that much of confidence in him that he can push that person.
Very good. Nabil is talking about some third person. If that person can, if he wants to, who is that if person, Nabil?
It can be anyone who feels tortured or who feels.
Right now, who is feeling tortured?
It's me.
So then does Nabil want to continue feeling tortured?
No.
So what does Nabil want to do?
To be in a place which Sahil is occupying.
Wonderful. That beautiful couch at the back. Nabil wants to sit there, spreading his hands like this, comfortable like this. Yes? So Nabil, what will you do to be comfortable and feel in the position that Sahil is in right now?
So I guess fight back with you.
I don't know. You have to do it. You can't talk about it. This is a contact sport. You know what a contact sport is?
No, I don't.
The racket has to hit the ball. It is not a wonderful game on your mobile कि इधर तूने touch किया और वहां गया ball. ऐसा नहीं. You have to hold the racket in your hand. You have to come and play the contact sport with me and take the power away from me. Come on.
So Sahil, basically I want to ask is what am I supposed to do right now to feel free out of it?
You tell me. You want to feel free. How can I answer that for you? If you ask me, what do I need to do to feel powerful? I'll tell you, I'm already feeling powerful. You want to feel powerful. You have to answer. How can I answer on your behalf?
But you assigned me a task which I failed to do, and now you are just pushing me down the line. So I have to ask you only that what should I do?
So basically, if someone comes to hit you, you will ask that person, what should I do to save myself?
Sahil, can I say something?
Of course, Tanvi.
Yeah. So actually, I was just imagining myself in Nabil's position, and I've never really gone through something like this. And I'm just imagining I'm having chills. So
of course,
yeah,
because all of us have been in protected environments.
Yeah, I have, like all my life. I've never experienced something like this, and I'm actually scared to step out of my comfort zone. And actually, I'm scared to experience this. I'm scared of. Yeah, so
beautiful, Tanvi. Beautiful. Imagine Nabil, मैं तेरे से बात कर रहा हूँ.
I'm feeling all the chills.
Exactly. Goosebumps उसको हो रहे हैं, chills उसको हो रहे हैं. मैं तेरे से बात कर रहा हूँ, Nabil. सोच.
Yeah, but yes.
And if you, Nabil, take the power in your hands, imagine Tanvi will feel powerful. Nabil, you cannot let Tanvi down. अपना छोड़ दे, किसी और को chills हो रहा है तेरे वजह से. Take the power back fast. She is feeling chills.
I want to say to Nabil something that nobody is perfect here. If Sir has told you to rap, then it's just a question of rapping and ending the conversation there. Because nobody's Arjit Singh or Badsha way. Just rap it and end the story there. Nobody's perfect, so I think.
Vedika, you've been very quiet. Do you think rapping will solve the problem?
Maybe not.
Okay.
Because what you've asked Nabil to do is step out of his comfort zone. Maybe you see a potential in him that he does not.
Okay. Sweetie?
So right now he's feeling, I just imagine myself in his place, and I can say that maybe we can end the conversation. Yeah, it is starting. We cannot begin in that last place. We don't need to give in the in this situation. We can just solve the question at the first place when you ask for the grant.
Understand. Shraddha? Any different perspective, different views? Kuch alag soch?
Sir, if Nabil is not comfortable in doing that thing, and if he purely thinks that it is out of his scope of work, then he can just deny that. I mean, he just
But
doesn't have
that's
to
the
do.
easiest thing to do, no? He can deny.
May I add something?
Yeah, of course, Pandan.
I feel Nabil should be given a break for 2 minutes. He should think about or reciprocate about.
Acha, so we should go back to offering him sympathy. Beta, pani pi lo.
Yeah, it might help him think.
It might help him. Very good. थोड़ा मैं tissue भी भेज दूँ. Zomato से brownie भेज दूँ. Spandan, should I send Theo Brahma brownies, walnut chocolate brownies? That will uplift his mood. It will give him confidence. I'll send him oxy-rich water, 300% more oxygen. He can breathe better. क्या बोलता है? Lollipop भेजूं? Guys, you guys are doing brilliant. Okay, you guys are playing very well. You may have never experienced something like this before. You guys are doing well. But Nabil needs you. And each one of you have a Nabil within you. Experience what is happening here. Sugam, the restlessness in you, unmute yourself and bloody talk.
Sir, I would like to make a point to Nabil that it's a right opportunity for him to explore himself. Like he is feeling tortured. So instead of feeling tortured, it's a right opportunity for him to find his new skill, new talent that may exist in him, but maybe he doesn't know about it.
Sugam, you're talking to me or you're talking to Nabil?
Sir, I am talking to you.
And who needs help?
Nabil.
So who should you be talking to? Can you look at Nabil in his eye and talk to him heart to heart, man to man?
Yeah. So Nabil, I think you should go for it, and you can do it because we know that you have a lot of confidence, and even in the chess match you are at the top of it. So I think you can go for it. You should do it.
But he doesn't know what to do, Sugam. What should he do? Does he need to rap? What does he need to do?
I think, sir, if he don't feel to rap, he can sing also. Because during the singing session, he sings a ghazal, I think. I remember that.
But Sugam, singing से उसका feeling of torture चला जाएगा.
So at least, sir, उसको opportunity, उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि वो torture तो feel नहीं होगा. मतलब उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि उसने कुछ तो किया है. Instead
आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपने नबील को पूछ के कंफर्म किया है?
No, sir.
ये आपकी सोच है.
नहीं, just sir, I am thinking like that, not confirming from Nabil.
Okay.
Nabil, bro, listen to me one thing. You're pushed to walls. Just forget it. He's just torturing you. He's playing with your minds. Try to play with his minds. Ask him questions. Why are you like, मेरे को rap नहीं करना? This is not a talent competition, bro. You can do it. Yeah, chill. He's just asking questions. Just say, what will I get if I do a rap or something? Will you give me a job in KPMG? Then I'll just rap it right now. If you're getting a job in KPMG in first internship, then just rap it, man. Ask him if he's giving you.
And adding to Prathamesh's point, Nabil, now rap का point खत्म हो गया है. तो अभी वो बोल रहे हैं ना कि rap का point खत्म. Then ask him ना कि now what do you want me to do?
I asked him, he's not answering.
And then ask again and again, boss. Ask again and again. Trigger कर उनको कि why you are giving me this?
I'll tell you one thing. वो तेरे को थाली में परोस के नहीं देने वाला है answer. You have to find your own answer. I'll just give you one option. The way he's torturing you, I'm not saying torture him, but ask him questions like, what is the counter offer that you can give me if I rap? Rap हो गया 30 मिनट पहले वो हो चुका है. अभी तू rap करके भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. It's going to be a waste of time. Ask him questions. What will I get? What will I do if I do something for you? Will you give me an internship in KPMG for my first internships in Athena? If you do that, if you are giving me your word, it's recorded here, so I can abide you by the law also. Say something like that. Give your confidence to him. है मेरे में confidence. बोल ऐसा कुछ.
Can I say some? I have something to say. So
Yeah, Tanvi, go ahead.
so how does an individual land in this kind of a position? Like, what I feel is, if he's not that good at his job, or maybe you feel there's like a certain things missing in a person, maybe that's when you end up in a situation like this, right? So how do you prepare to not fall into something like this? Is it possible to avoid this situation, or?
Can I answer this question?
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you. Bachpan se na, you are either a bully or you are being bullied. And hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So bachpan se either you are a bully or you are being bullied. And when you are being bullied na, you go home, you think, अरे अगर next time मेरे को ये question पूछा ना तो मैं इसका answer कैसे दूंगा? And next time when someone says something ना, you are ready for it. You are ready to counter attack, because I'm not saying I'm a bullied or I'm a bully or I have been bullied anything. But घर पे आके ना खुद से जीतना सीखो. तुम खुद से जीतोगे ना तो दुनिया जीत लोगे. पहले खुद से तो जीत लो.
प्रथमेश, तू पॉलिटिशियन का बेटा है क्या?
नहीं सर, बट मेरे को
हाँ, क्या बोलता है रे, माँ कसम. और नबील कब का, he left you long back, he heard you for 30 seconds and then he said ये सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोल रहा है, ये इंटर्नशिप वो इंटर्नशिप, इसको ऐसा बोल, don't be torture, ये वो क्या. You lost him. Did you even see his body language?
उसको थोड़ा तो कॉन्फिडेंस आना चाहिए.
उसको कॉन्फिडेंस आना चाहिए कि देखो आना चाहिए. उसका नीड फुलफिल कर रहा है कि अपना.
Yes. So learning, like I come from a small town, and what I know is to get on top of, get into the cities or get a better job or anything. All my parents and everyone tells me is study and do this and that. Nobody tells you about this part. And I feel like you need to learn to tackle this more than anything else. And this is something that's actually intimidating me right now. Like, I feel like I can handle that, learning part. I can handle everything. Just that I need to learn this skill, and this is intimidating.
तभी तो आदित्य बुलाया मेरे को.
Yeah, I
तो
know.
मालूम है तन्वी.
Yeah.
तभी तो बुलाया वो मेरे को.
Yeah, actually, I've actually never faced any kind of bullying in school or anywhere. And the slightest of thing can make me cry. So.
अभी तो नबील रो रहा है. Why are you putting the spotlight on yourself, तन्वी?
No.
नबील रो रहा है. उसके आंसू पोंछोगी या तुम अपने ऊपर स्पॉटलाइट डालोगी?
No, sir, I'm not crying. I am just witnessing something I have never witnessed before.
Very good. I'm happy, Nabil.
Nabil, you were trying to tell something. Go ahead. People interrupted you. Go ahead.
So I want to ask one thing again, that for what cause is this all going? I'm literally having no idea why I'm doing this. I'm literally not having idea that why you are making me do this. And I have literally no idea that what is the outcome of it and what can be the outcome of it.
तू मेरा भाई है रे दोस्त. मेरा दिल से तेरा कनेक्शन हो गया है.
How it can occur in a 30 minutes talk, I guess it is not possible.
Love and first sight हुआ नहीं क्या कभी देखो लाइफ में?
So I'm very bad at that thing.
ठीक है भाई, I am very good at it. देखो देखते ही मेरे को समझ में आ गया तू मेरा भाई है. नबील डाइग्रेस मत कर. एस्केप रूट है नहीं. मैं देखो बोला, कमिटमेंट दिया, मैं देखो शाम के 6 बजे तक बैठूंगा, रात के 10 बजे तक बैठूंगा. हम सब बैठेंगे, हम सब अपना लंच लेके आएंगे, इधर ही वीडियो पे बैठ के खाना खाएंगे, शाम का चाय भी यहाँ पियेंगे, रात का डिनर भी साथ में करेंगे. और मैं छोड़ने नहीं वाला. मैं अपने सारे मीटिंग्स कैंसिल कर दूंगा. मेरे 2 और स्पीकिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज. आई रिक्वेस्टेड आदित्य टू मूव दिस टू 11:30 बिकॉज आई फॉरगॉट अनदर कॉलेज दैट कॉल्ड मी इन द मॉर्निंग. मैं वो खत्म करके यहाँ आया हूँ. बाकी 2 और हैं, मैं दोनों कैंसिल करूंगा बिकॉज दिस इज फ्रीकिंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
नाबिल, उनको बोल कि आपने आपके तरफ से मेरे को भाई लिया, मैंने नहीं लिया, तो मैं क्यों करूँ जो आप बोल रहे हो मुझे.
रतिक ने मम्मी को बोल दिया, मम्मी लंच भी आप इधर ही ले आओ, मैं इधर ही खाऊंगा। फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज, पहले ही मम्मी को बोल दिया लंच रेडी रखो, इधर टाइम लगने वाला है, आई विल नॉट कम टू द लंच टेबल।
No, sir, I think no, Sahil. I think he'll do it in the next 5 minutes. I fully believe कि
क्या बात है,
I believe in him.
नबील देख, एक को चिल्स आ रहे हैं, दूसरे को बिलीफ है तेरे में, तू वहां बैठ के मजे ले रहे हैं हम सबके, बाय मी पूछ के।
Nabil, you've already gotten a lot of advice from everyone. Now you have to decide what you have to do. Sabse, you've gotten a lot of advice. Now you just have to listen to your heart, listen to your brain, and just give one response, one reply, and we'll be done with it. Not even 5 minutes, 1 minute में हो जाएगा.
नबील सुन क्या बोल रहा है, we will be done with it. So it's no longer about you, it's about we. देख अभी तो ये डेमो है तेरे लिए नबील, मैं देखो पढ़ाने आएगा मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंस, एचआर, वो तो एकदम ऐसा अमूल बटर जैसा जाएगा, बिकॉज दैट तो इज वेरी इजी, नो? डेबिट what comes in, credit what goes out, debit the receiver, credit the giver, debit all expenses, losses, credit all income gains. वो मैं देखो सिखा देगा, टेंशन नहीं। बट ये तू नहीं सीखा ना तो जिंदगी कैसे जिएगा तू? इतना कितना पैसा दिया एमबीए के लिए तू नबील?
Approximately 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. कौन दिया पैसा?
Dad.
Dad ने मेहनत किया
क्या?
Dad ने मेहनत किया, effort, he put an effort to earn those 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
Correct? He loves his son. He spent 10 lakhs on his son for his son to do MBA. तो बेटे को थोड़ा रगड़ाना पड़ेगा ना, रगड़ा के डायमंड बनाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? या तो बोलेगा वाई मी, मैं तो उधर सीखने आया, मेरे को तुम मार्केटिंग सिखाओ, फाइनेंस सिखाओ, मेरे को अतीना से जॉब दिलाओ, और जॉब होना चाहिए मिनिमम 20 lakhs पैकेज, क्योंकि मैं 10 लाख तुमको दिया ना एमबीए करने के लिए। देखो वो चाहिए नबील?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, then what do you want, brother? Come on. Torture. बोलो। सबने, रतिक बोल दिया, सबने तेरे को एडवाइस दिया, अब करना तो तेरे को है।
So you want me the power to take from your side to mine, right? So
Yeah,
just
right.
my one answer to you is like, why shall I answer you these old questions? Like, why shall I answer you? You are not going to place me in your company. You are just a guest lecturer over here. After this, I know that there may be any controversy. There may be something like which Aditya sir won't like, but I am enough of it. I am not going to give any answers for them.
Wow, enough of it, huh?
Enough of it. I'm damn sure that I'm not going to have a role to play in KPMG, so I'm not going to mess with you at any point of time. Like you're gonna kick me.
There is no context of an organization here. Here, Nabil is talking to Sahil. Two individuals are talking to each other. Why are you bringing other elements to hide? You are trying to hide.
That's the point, right? Yeah, so that is the point, right? You are nobody to me, I am nobody to you. I'm not going to, what do we say, that I'm not going to witness you again. I'm not going to have word with you again. So why shall I answer this much of questions, and why shall I feel this much of torture that I am being tortured since this long?
Very nice, Nabil. So everybody who tortures you, you will distance them from you. Tomorrow your father starts torturing you for your own benefit, and no, sorry, wrong point. I'm so sorry, Nabil. Your father tries to have a conversation with you and you feel tortured, you will distance him from you. Because he is not torturing you. He is having a conversation with you exactly the way I am having a conversation with you.
But it is
you
not...
are feeling tortured. Is it my fault that you are feeling tortured because you can't have a conversation with me? मैं तो तेरे से बात कर रहा हूँ ना, प्यार से बात कर रहा हूँ ना नबी। गाली दिया देखो मैं, हाँ या ना? मैं देखो मारा, हाँ के ना?
No.
मैं देखो असॉल्ट किया, हाँ के ना?
No.
तो फिर मैं तो तेरे से प्यार से बात कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ तू मेरा भाई है. I have connected with you at a very deep level because I care for you, Nabil. I care for you, and you are pushing me away.
So which kind of care is it? I don't know really.
So now you want to spend time analyzing the care, or you want to focus on the problem statement of Nabil is going to get out of his comfort zone. क्या करना है देखो, वो एनालाइज करना है. मैं तेरे को बोला नबील, हमारा रिश्ता बन गया है, मैं रात तक बैठेगा तेरे साथ और सब लोग ग्रुप पे बैठेंगे, क्योंकि अभी ये नबील का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये हम सबका प्रॉब्लम है. तन्वी को और ठंडी लगेगी, वो एसी को भी हीटर बना देगी क्योंकि उसको चिल्स आ रहे हैं, बट हम साथ में बैठेंगे नबील. देखो एनालाइज करना है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ केयर इट इज. भले मेरा तरीका गलत हो, मगर प्यार है दोस्त.
Can I add something?
Of course you can.
Yeah, Nabil, if the other person thinks you as a brother, then you should have the equal power, right? So just start questioning, okay? Just keep pestering him, okay? There's no worries about it. Just you have equal power, you have equal amount of power. You can be as dominant as the other person is. You just have to be confident and show it.
Everyone, please listen to Shreya carefully. The word power is getting associated with pester, with question, with dominance. Very important learnings. If you guys are not picking this up, you are missing the essence of the conversation. See how each one of us on this call are perceiving power so differently. अगर साहिल तुम्हें टॉर्चर कर रहा है, टॉर्चर साहिल बैक, प्रथमेश ने बोला, then he corrected himself saying not torture but ask him questions back, put the ball back in his court, उसको ही सवाल पूछ. It is not about rebelling, retorting or retaliating. It is about getting the power back. Nabil, you can take the power back without doing any of this. You can deny me. You can tell me I am a stranger in your life. You are not answerable to me. You can play the company organization card. You can play the individual card. तेरे पत्ते सारे तेरे सामने हैं. Choice तेरा है. And one thing I can assure you, there will be no consequences of this. इसके बाद भी तू मेरा दोस्त रहेगा, जिंदगी भर के लिए दोस्त रहेगा. आदित्य देखो कुछ नहीं करेगा. My promise to you. It will not affect your marks. It will not affect your grades. You will get your MBA degree with flying colors based on your own effort, your hard work, and your sincerity. Sorry, Aditya, you unmuted yourself. You want to say something, Aditya?
I said, don't worry, I'll not do anything. I'm a fly on the wall. I'm observing this. That's it. I have no race to play. I'm just the host and I'm observing. Don't worry about it.
I never said to torture you back. If you felt that way, I'm extremely sorry for that. But I am saying it's about when you counter someone with politeness. I'm not saying be rude or something like that, but by politeness and by smart moves, you can just counter himself, make him feel that now the ball is in your court. Means for last half an hour, I am seeing that you are just going on with him. He just has to what should I say, break his shackles slightly to make himself confident so that he can talk to you. Because right now he's just listening and he's not understanding anything. It's just a matter of time. When he just calms himself, when his nerves are calm, he'll just talk to you. I'm not saying he'll go and bash you or torture you or anything. I didn't mean that anytime. I'm just saying शांत हो जाएगा तो बोलेगा वो आपसे, बात करेगा, टॉर्चर नहीं करेगा.
Prathamesh, this conversation is not about you and me, it's about Nabil. Let's see what Nabil wants to do. but good point.
Science, I want to say something, Navin. He said now you have equal power and he is just a buddy to you. So just start fresh now.
Sweetie,
Yes.
सबसे पहले जो आसपास ठोक रहे हैं ना, उनको बोलो थोड़ा बंद कर
Sir,
दे।
construction work. I'm so sorry.
नहीं, उनको बोल दो 2 मिनट बंद करो, because स्वीटी का पावर जो है उसके पॉइंट में वो हमें आ नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि वो बार-बार ठोकम ठाकी की आवाज आ रही है। So tell them to stop for a minute.
Okay.
Can you tell them? See how difficult we find it. Is it happening in your house or is it happening in the neighbor's house?
No, sir, it's happening in my house. And no
It's
one
happening
is
in
here.
your house, sweetie,
Yes, sir.
and you don't have control over the fact of telling some laborers to stop banging for 30 seconds
No,
while
sir,
you
actually,
talk.
in this time, no one is here and no one is here to listen me. So how I can say to anyone? And I can.
How I can say, Nabil, तेरी दोस्त आ गई. Nabil, stop typing, Nabil. Listen to sweetie. How I can say, how no one is here. How do I tell the laborers not to stop banging? They will
No,
bang,
sir,
I
it's not
will
about
talk,
the
no one will
laborers
hear
and
me.
it's not about the laborers, sir. I am in a different place now. I am in a different room, so how I can?
How I can? You can. I'll tell you how you can. I will give you Cerelac. You can go on mute. You can go off video. Say, give me 30 seconds. Go to the other room. Tell them, आप 1 मिनट के लिए कुछ आवाज नहीं करेंगे. मेरे को एक बहुत important point बोलना है मेरे दोस्त को, नबील को. उसको मेरी जरूरत है. 1 मिनट के बाद आप अपना काम चालू कर लीजिए. Come back, switch on the video, unmute yourself, talk straight to Nabil. Help him, and then go on mute and let people continue their work in your own house. That is how you can do it. Possible? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, go and tell them and come. Chalo, Nabil, तुम्हारी दोस्त चली गई. How I can do? They are in different room. I cannot tell them not to make noise. They are doing their job. Why me? I'm feeling tortured. Nabil, I'm feeling tired now. I've not had breakfast.
Can I add
also.
something?
Of course you can.
Nabil, what like last 20 minutes we all are observing you. What I have analyzed by seeing you is like initially you were irritated, you were nervous, and right now you are not actually. You are just it's like you're just feeling ki you why should you do it? So you're not doing anything. Like you are not. So it's just like you are dominating yourself. You are not nervous right now. You're not irritated actually. You're just feeling I shouldn't do it, so you're not doing it. That's it. So you can do it. Go ahead.
Sorry, someone gave a very nice idea, no? Spandan, तूने बोला ना 2 मिनट का ब्रेक दे देते हैं.
Yes, sir.
नबील चॉकलेट खाएगा?
No, sir.
थोड़ा पानी पिएगा? देख श्रेया पानी पी रही है. अंदर क्या है हमें नहीं मालूम, बट चलो ठीक है. We'll assume she's having water.
So I am here. Can I say?
अरे वाह, sweetie is back.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, so Navir, I just want to say that he said that you have a power and you can just you should just say that just start fresh now. Just forget what the conversation is happened. Just start fresh as a buddy, as a same power as a just he said as.
नबील समझा क्या? स्वीटी क्या बोली?
Sahil, just I want to ask you one thing. If I am answerable to you, then why you are not answerable to me?
I am answering every question that you are asking me. What is the question you are asking?
No, I asked you way before that what I am supposed to do. You are not answering me.
Why? 1 minute. Hello, Nabil, please. You cannot put these kind of aspersions on me. मैं तेरे को beginning में बोला please rap. बोला क्या नहीं? Everybody, I said or no? Nabil, please rap. देखो सब लोग मुंडी हिला रहे. मैं क्या नहीं देखो पूछा. I requested you. Yes or no, Nabil? You only tell me. If I was not clear in my communication, then I am very sorry. 45 minutes back, I requested you to rap.
So right now I am ready to rap, but you are not.
But rap is not the problem. You also know that. अभी तो 2 minutes में rap कर देगा. But is rap the problem? Nabil, you tell me.
No.
देख. हीरो है ना तू मेरा. दिल से तो मेरा हीरो है. तू खुद ही बोल रहा है कि rap is not the solution to the problem. So then let's talk about the real problem. दोस्त 10 लाख डाला है, 10 लाख तू आज के दिन में वसूल करेगा, वो मेरा प्रॉमिस है तेरे को. बाकी तू अगले 2 साल में कुछ सीखा नहीं सीखा, जितना भी सीखा एक तरफ, आज के दिन में तू 10 लाख वसूल करेगा. बट यू हैव टू प्ले बॉल विद मी. तू एस्केप रूट ढूंढेगा, बोलेगा व्हाई मी, ये नहीं वो नहीं. तेरे को भी मालूम है रैप करना सोल्यूशन नहीं है. तू 1 मिनट में अभी रैप कर देगा, जैसा भी करके कर देगा. प्रथमेश बोलेगा वैसा कर देगा, ऋतिक बोलेगा, ऋतिक भी देखो ज्वाइन कर लेगा. स्पंदन तेरे लिए वाटर बॉय बन जाएगा. नहीं मांगता है अपने को. वी डोंट वांट दैट रैप, वी वांट नबील. यस और नो? नबील, आई एम आस्किंग यू बच्चा.
यस सर.
अभी बोलो. Why are you know, how old are you, Nabil?
22.
For 22 years, you know what you've been running away from? Today we will find that. And while we will find it for Nabil, for Shreya, for Gitanjali, for Vedika, for Tanvi, who's feeling the chills, we will find it for everybody in whatever way we can. Because we are in this together. All of us are in this together. Do you agree with me, Nabil?
Yes.
Is my intent clear to you? Or do I need to re-clarify my intent?
No, sir, it was pretty clear.
तो फिर हम क्यों escape कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि it is the easiest thing to do. नबील, मैं देखो बोल रहा हूँ, मैं शाम तक बैठने वाला हूँ, कोई जाने नहीं वाला. सब लोग अपना खाना लाएंगे, यहीं बैठेंगे. बोलो.
But on what accounts am I answerable to you, and for what reason am I answerable for you, and what should I answer to you? I have no.
नबिल, अभी क्या बोला साहिल ने, उस पे फोकस कर. Now you don't have to answer anything. He is not saying that you have to answer. Focus on his words. कि हमें the situation which you are put to now, we all have faced in once in a life, and he is making that clear that how to come out of it. We don't have to escape situations. The life is full of difficulties. If you will escape, the another will come. So that's the point. तू आंसर मत कर. तुझे अभी आंसर के लिए कोई नहीं बोल रहा. अभी तू ये बात ही छोड़ दे. Who are you? How accounts and all etc etc. वो नहीं है अब बात. अब बात है how to not escape the situation and how to face the challenges.
I think, Nabil, I like to make a point that the problem is not the torturing or the something the Sahil asked, but the problem is the how you denying the things. Means you are escaping through denying things. So instead of denying things, I think denying is the real problem here. I feel like that. So
and it's not you, Nabil, it's us. We are always denying the situation when it comes to difficulties, when it's come to like your situation. If I were in your place, same, I would have, why should I rap? मैं नहीं कर सकती, मुझे नहीं आता. Same situation would be created. So it's not about you and me. It's about us. We all are facing the same situation. We can feel the same situation at right now. So don't say that, sir, who am I or who are you to answer? You just listen and just carefully adapt the things, like what he wants to convey, what Sahil is saying. Just understand that. Then automatically ek answer aega, you will say in few minutes. I know that.
I think Sahil just needs a good conversation with you, and I think you are denying from it. So that's the problem here.
Ria, you unmuted yourself. You want to say something?
No. Deepa, what do you want Nabil to do right now? I would ask, agar tu Nabil ke jagah pe, what would you do? Simple.
मैंने यही बोला ना, it's not about Nabil, it's not about me, it's about us. Like I wouldn't have deny anything situation. Like जो बोलते I would ready to do it up. But अभी तो वो situation है ही नहीं. अभी तो we have to just learn from the things. हो गया जो अभी deny हो गया. We have keep advising him. We have been also saying that हमें same feel हो रहा है. It's all done. Now next is keep on conversation.
हाँ तो नाबिल बोलेगा कि हाँ मेरे को समझ गया, फिर
हाँ समझ गया. अब next step, how the Sahil will carry on the conversations. It's not on to me.
You start a new conversation after saying yes, I understand, and start a new conversation with Sahil.
Yeah, I understand. Let's do have a jump on the second topic. Or I think now Sahil is reading all mine, and now might be the next will be I the person. So सबका बोलते ना, सबका दिन आता है. So we are all.
You have to be more interactive with Sahil. To instead of escaping situation, you should have a good conversation with him.
बोल ना मेरे भाई.
Sahil, can I ask you one question over here?
Yes, please.
Is this the same thing you do when you recruit someone?
How is that going to help you, Nabil?
No, if this is the scenario, I should be very much, what do we say, perfect in it, so any further mistakes won't occur here.
So is the solution only restricted to a particular person or a particular organization applying this for recruitment purposes? Or are we trying to solve for a problem of how we need to live our life?
No, just if this is the case, like you are just, what do we say, firing on me rapidly. I don't know literally how to handle this situation, as I haven't been before and I haven't been trained for it. So
if I tell you the answer is yes, then you will work on it. And if I tell you the answer is no, then it is okay, not needed.
No, it is not like that. But
so then
yeah,
what is the relevance of the question? I'm trying to understand that slightly better.
So my point here is that if this is the scenario like which you are trying to say, that I'm basically, to be honest, that I am a person that, yeah, I do run from problems, or the problems which does not bring solutions so easily as
Sure.
of this.
Sure. And you are not alone, Nabil. Even I run away from problems. And I'm openly admitting it on this call. Even I have been guilty of running away from problems. And therefore, I connected with you at a very deep level. So please continue, Nabil.
So I just want to ask you that if this is the scenario and if this is the scene with all of us, how can anyone, not me, anyone in this call?
Why anyone, Nabil? I'm talking to you. Why do you want to worry about anyone?
Okay, so bring it forward. Why? How can I just figure it out and be at a position that I feel comfortable in?
That only you can tell me, no, my friend. I don't know you. I am just guest lecture. I'll come for half an hour. I will go away. How do I know what makes you comfortable? That you know yourself for 22 years. You have been living in that same body for 22 years, right? Your soul is in that body, right? You have a heart, you have a mind, you have a body, you have a soul.
So just few minutes ago, you said that you connected with Nabil on a deeper level. You have, so maybe you have been through this situation. You have said yourself that you have been running through situations in past. So you have learned from that and you know how to tackle these situations. So maybe you can give your experience, share your experience, because we all are here to learn from each and everyone's experience. So you can share your experience to Nabil or to all of us so that we won't find ourselves in this situation again.
So Prathamesh, I don't know whether you joined when I said this dialogue because you joined late. I said this piece
Yeah, actually, I'm having a high fever, but this lecture, everyone is like, this is the best lecture they have ever had. So just join it. However you are feeling, just join it. So I am like, yes, I'll join.
I did not know that you have fever, Prathamesh. So in case you want to lie down, that's also
sir,
absolutely fine. No,
I
your
actually
health is
dressed up
most
for this
important.
lecture. I was having like 101-degree fever, but I dressed up for this lecture because this is one of the best lectures I have ever attended.
No, thank you for that, Prathamesh. But please take a Crocin or a Dolo. And if you cannot sit or you're feeling weakness, you can lie down also. None of us will have a problem.
No.
So Prathamesh, Nabil doesn't need my experience. You know that? Nabil is on a journey of self-discovery. He wants to find his own answers. By giving him my answers, all of us will be doing disservice to him. Because अगले 2 साल में Nabil will interact with hundreds of people who will come and give him gyan. In the next, sorry guys, one sec. I'm getting a work call. I have to take this. Hello.
I think Akshay has gone for a loo break. Akshay has gone both of run like super fast. Chance to dance part.
Sorry guys, someone from work was calling the 3rd time and therefore I thought it's urgent, so I took that call. But I heard Aditya said, you guys want to take a break, a bio break? Because picture abhi baki hai.
Sahil, I think jisko lena tha wo bhag gaya already. I think do to bhag hi gaya already.
Who's gone?
I think Akshay and Spandan. I think they've already done.
No, the rest of you all also please feel comfortable. Bladders are a very important part of the body. So please hydrate yourself because these sessions can be very taxing. And I see Samruddhi already taking support of her hand to rest her head. So I can see the exhaustion, but we'll be with this. So Nabil, where were we?
We were on a self-discovery journey.
Correct. Did I say a correct thing, Nabil, or was I wrong?
No, you said the correct thing.
So we are all in this together. We all are working on it. While we find an answer for Nabil, we are also finding an answer for a Riya, for an Amrita. Tanvi is still feeling chills. Hopefully her chills will reduce. But we have to crack this, no, Nabil? Yes or no?
Yes.
So chalo, let's crack it.
But how can I crack it? I don't.
Okay,
really-
how baad mein aata hai? What do you want to crack?
So that is the point I was asking you since very long, that what is meant to be done over here?
What is meant to be done was rapping. Then you came back and told me, no, rap is not the problem. There is some other problem. What is the problem? You tell me.
If rapping is not the problem, then there's this whole conversation which took almost 45 minutes, I guess. The basis of it is maybe you want me and all of us over here to build something which is not present in us, or to, what do we say?
To Hindi
fight
mein
our
comfortable
own
hai, to Hindi mein baat
battles.
kar, no problem. To Hindi mein comfortable hai, Nabil?
No, I am comfortable in English, but currently I am just
No problem. So let's
lagging out
continue
of
in
it.
English. No problem. So we are basically trying to build something that's not there. Is that what you think?
And you basically want to teach me that how to fight our own battles and how to just
Baby,
go through your
baby. Who am I to teach you anything? I am nobody to teach you anything, यार. मेरी औकात नहीं है कि मैं तेरे को कुछ सिखा सकूं. I am nobody to teach you anything, Nabil. Why should I teach you anything? तू मेरे रिश्ते में लगता है. बोल.
So what am I answerable to here, sir?
Exactly. That's the whole point. Now you're hitting the nail on the head. क्या तू मेरे रिश्ते में लगता है, नबील? बोल.
No.
नहीं. क्या तेरा और मेरा खून का रिश्ता है?
नहीं.
नहीं. 3 hours back, did you know of my existence?
No.
I was not in your life in the last 3 hours. Before that, I was not in your life. So फिर, you're not answerable to me. Who are you answerable to? Please answer.
I guess answerable to no one over here.
Who are you answerable to? Don't evade the question. Don't escape the question. Who are you answerable to?
I'm answerable to myself, that why am I not
Brilliant.
able to crack
Brilliant.
this?
Brilliant. Brilliant, Nabil. Rockstar you are. Brilliant. I love you. You are answerable to yourself. In the last 22 years, Nabil, have you answered to yourself?
Honestly, no, sir. I have just escaped the
Brilliant,
situation.
Nabil. Brilliant. 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 You're a rock star. It takes courage to say this, that in the last 22 years, you have not been answerable to yourself. It takes courage. It takes a lot of courage, Nabil. Many people lie, but you are not lying. You are being honest. It takes a lot of courage. I salute you. मैं तो जुम्मा आया नहीं तेरी जिंदगी में यार दोस्त. मेरे को क्या लेना, मेरा तेरा खून का रिश्ता भी नहीं है. You are not answerable to me. You are answerable to yourself. Brilliant. Point number 1. Point number 2. In the last 22 years, you have not been honest with yourself, Nabil. Which is what you just said. Now tell me, let's focus on actions. From today, from right now, what will Nabil do?
I shall be honest to myself and to find my true potential.
Complicate mat kar, English mat bol. Nabil will be honest to himself. Will Nabil be honest to himself?
Definitely.
Okay, now we've answered what will Nabil do, correct? तूने बोला
Yeah.
ना what. Now the question is, how will Nabil be honest to himself?
By
What तो
not-
समझ में आ गया. How? How will Nabil be honest to himself?
By not escaping problems, finding solutions towards it.
And
to apply it.
to apply.
And not to lie things like ये मेरे से नहीं हो सकता है फिर भी मैं करने की नाकाम कोशिश करूं.
क्या बात है, गौर फरमाए, क्या बात है, बढ़िया. अब नबील ये सब बोल रहा है साहिल से छुटकारा पाने के लिए, या नबील ये सब करेगा?
करेगा नहीं सर, करना ही पड़ेगा.
कोई तुम्हारे सिर पे बंदूक नहीं रखा है नबील. मैं चला जाऊंगा अगले आधे घंटे में.
Yeah, I know, sir, but these situations do occur rapidly in life. You are not the first one to trigger. You were the first one to trigger, but you are not the last one to trigger.
Correct. So what will Nabil do? करना ही पड़ेगा या नबील को करना है? दोनों में बहुत फर्क है.
सर वो कर रहा है, करना पड़ेगा भी नहीं और करना भी नहीं, कर रहा है. He is doing right now.
दीपा तुम उसके दिल में बसती हो.
No sir,
उसको बोलने दो
I
ना, उसको बोलने दो ना, उसको महसूस करने दो ना. तुम क्यों उसकी धड़कन बन रही हो? तुम्हें ज्यादा ही प्यार आ रहा है. उसको महसूस करने दो अपने दिल में. तुम अपने दिल में अपना महसूस करो. मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बन जाओ तुम दीपा. बस तुम्हारा फोर्टे वही है, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बन जाओ, बहुत पैसा कमाओगी. नबील फोकस, डोंट डाइग्रेस. नबील कमर्शियल ब्रेक हो गया, एंटरटेनमेंट हो गया, चलो फोकस. जर्नी, वी आर ऑन अ जर्नी, राइट नबील?
यस सर.
करना पड़ेगा या नबील को करना है?
करना पड़ेगा सर.
तो जिस दिन वो कारण हट जाएगा और नहीं करना पड़ेगा, उस दिन नबील छोड़ देगा?
नहीं सर.
बट करना पड़ेगा मतलब आदित्य ने बोला एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा, इतने मार्क्स लाने पड़ेंगे, तभी तो तुम एक अच्छे कंपनी में तुम्हें जॉब मिलेगी. नबील को पढ़ने का मन नहीं है. पापा ने बोला एमबीए करो, तो नबील पढ़ रहा है. पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Who has the power, Nabil? You or somebody else?
Power on what?
करना पड़ेगा.
Me.
How you?
Because
तुम
if
तो
there
अपने
is,
आप को बोल रहे हो करना पड़ेगा.
if there is something related to me, then I am only having the power upon it.
I'll break this down for you, Nabil. मेरा सेशन अतीना के साथ 1 घंटे का था. मेरे को 1 घंटे का सेशन करना पड़ेगा. वर्सेस मेरा मन है कि मेरा नबील के साथ रिश्ता जुड़ गया है, और बाकी जो ये कॉल पे 20 लोग हैं, मेरा उन सब से बहुत गहराई में एक नाता बन गया है और रिश्ता जुड़ गया है. तो मैं 1 घंटा नहीं, मैं 10 घंटे बिताऊंगा, क्योंकि ये सब मेरे अपने हैं और मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं इनके साथ बात करूं. Those of you who don't understand Hindi, I decide, not that I have been told, not that मुझे करना पड़ेगा. Who has the power? Aditya had the power to invite me. What I do in the session, I decide. How much time I do, I decide. When I do, I decide. When I stop, I decide. Who has the power? I or Aditya?
You have the power.
तो करना पड़ेगा या नबील को करना है?
करना है सर.
नबील करेगा या करना पड़ेगा?
करेगा सर.
करेगा. कब करेगा?
From
पास
right
आउट होने
now.
के बाद ना. अभी तो 2 साल मस्ती करेगा ना, उसके बाद करेगा ना. अभी क्या करने का जरूरत?
नहीं सर.
तो फिर कब करेगा?
From now itself.
नहीं ना, कल से. tomorrow we'll start.
There is no tomorrow, sir. If that's
नबील
meant
इतना
to be.
इंटेलिजेंट है, उसको मालूम है there is no tomorrow. So you will start from now. Very
For
good.
sure.
So what will Nabil do? We have discussed. How will Nabil do? We have discussed. When will Nabil do? We have discussed. Now, Nabil, close your eyes and ask yourself. Don't give any one of us an answer. Close your eyes and ask yourself, Nabil Qadri, are you feeling powerful?
Done, sir.
Done म्हणजे?
आपने तो बोला आंसर नहीं देना किसी को.
तो तुमने कर लिया जो तुम्हें करना था.
Yes.
You've done your journey of self-discovery.
Yes.
You've got your answer.
Yes.
You're feeling good about it.
Yeah. Feeling relaxed right now.
Feeling relaxed. Very nice. Are you still feeling pressured? क्या था तुम्हारा word? Tortured. Are you still feeling tortured?
No.
You're feeling relaxed.
Yeah.
Do you think I will ask you one more question after this?
I guess.
I guess. Yes
Yeah,
or no?
If there is a question allotted in your mind, you may ask.
Do you
And
think there is a question in my mind? What is your assessment? After you are telling me you are feeling relaxed, do you think there will be any more questions in my mind?
No.
Do you think collectively we have achieved our purpose?
Yes.
Now, how will you validate? I have not asked you for your answer if you're feeling powerful or not, but now I'm asking you a different question. How will you validate that as a group, if we have achieved our collective purpose? क्योंकि ये conversation तो नबील के बारे में थी ही नहीं. ये conversation हम सबके बारे में थी. Are you with me, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
So how will we validate कि हमारा collective purpose achieve हो गया? हमें कुछ ना कुछ चेक करना पड़ेगा ना कि हम थर्मोमीटर डालेंगे और देखेंगे हाँ अभी बुखार नहीं है.
So collectively, I can't say that we have achieved this purpose or no, because these all things went through me only. So I can say just mine.
But somebody else also told, you know, on the call, you were listening or were you self-absorbed? Somebody else also said something on the call. कि नबील से आप बात कर रहे थे, but मुझे कुछ हो रहा था. Who
Tanvi,
said?
Tanvi was that.
Very good. So what can you do to Tanvi? Can you speak to Tanvi?
Yeah, I can speak to Tanvi.
So please speak to her. What will you ask her?
I need to ask her. That is fair enough. So, sir, I can ask whatever I wish, right?
Of course, as long as you are answering the question have we achieved our collective purpose? Don't ask for anything that is not relevant.
No, not that, sir. So Tanvi, as you just mentioned that you were also suffering from the same, or just you also had that goosebumps by your side. So I was willing to ask you after Sahil asked me that, do you feel the same as I feel right now? I'm totally chilled out right now. I feel relaxed. So do you feel the same?
I think I'll have to go through this and then maybe I'll feel what you're feeling right. I don't think it's for me. I don't think it's very. I mean, you cannot learn this thing by just observation. I think you need to experience it, and only then you'll understand. It's like, you know, you have to like you do that. The diamonds and all, you need to like sculpt them. So it's like that. It's that process, and I haven't been through this at all, and I wish to go through this.
Sahil, can I just say something?
Please, of course,
Yeah.
of course. Do you want to first thank Tanvi Nabil for
Yeah,
her response?
I want, that was really, really, what do we say, appreciating from your side, Tanvi. Sahil, just I want to say you one thing, that today I learned something which was never taught to me. And can I say it in Hindi? I am not.
मैं पहले ही बोला था, देखो याद है मैं बोला था, देखो बिंदास
Sir,
बोल.
I explored those points in my life
हिंदी
that
हिंदी
मैंने आज कुछ ऐसा भी सीखा है लाइफ में जो पहले कभी किसी ने ना सिखाया था, ना कुछ आइडिया भी थी इसके बारे में, क्या ऐसा भी लाइफ में हो सकती है, कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आ सकती है. So I'm just thankful to you, sir, that you were something like, you made me go through that troubles, but now I realize that those all things were worth it. Just that I would like to say.
Sure, Nabil. I know it was very difficult for you. I could see the irritation and the frustration on your face, but it takes a lot of courage, like I mentioned earlier as well, to continue to play ball, to continue. आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहे, मेरे सवालों का आप जवाब देते रहे, आपने प्रोत्साहन लिया, you took encouragement from your colleagues, from your friends. Initially, they were quiet. Later on, they started supporting you. And you stood till the end. Many times, Nabil, be it Riya, be it Prathamesh. Prathamesh has 101 fever. I don't know who told him about this session. He came, he attended, he went off video for a couple of seconds. Again, he came back. It takes courage. Many times, Janvi, Amruta, Vedika, Spandan, we all will fall, Nabil. हम गिरेंगे, but गिर के we will learn. And falling is not bad. The point is, how quickly do you rise after you fall? Today you did not fall, Nabil. You know why you didn't fall? Because deep within you, you wanted to change. You wanted to explore this journey. आपको सिर्फ किसी की मदद चाहिए थी. You just needed a facilitator. या सब काम आपने खुद, सारे सवालों का जवाब आपने खुद दिया. मैंने कुछ नहीं दिया. दीपा ने खुद जवाब नहीं दिया. तन्वी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. गीतांजलि सिर्फ वीडियो पे थी. गीतांजलि ने कुछ नहीं बोला. श्रेया पानी पी रही थी. श्रेया ने कुछ नहीं बोला. सब कुछ आपने बोला, नबी. And as Tanvi very correctly put it, by observing, you can never go through this journey. Each one of us have to experience this. Today, Nabil, you were the fortunate, lucky one. के सुई आके आप पे अटक गई. But I can promise this to you that every single person on this call needs this, including myself. We need for someone to have that conversation with us. Not because कि हम टूटे हुए हैं, not because we are broken, but because we all have areas of development that we all need to work on to be the best version of ourselves. And unfortunately, Nabil and all you wonderful people, no textbook, no Google, no syllabus, and no pedagogy, and no university will teach you this as a classroom. That is the unfortunate part. तो आप हेनरी फियोल के 10 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट सीख लोगे, आप 2 फैक्टर थियरी सीख लोगे, आप क्वांटम फिजिक्स सीख लोगे, you will learn relative elasticity of demand, but आप रियल लाइफ को जीना सीखने का जो मैनुअल है ना, वो हमें एक दूसरे से ही सीखना है. जो आपके टीचर्स आएंगे अगले 2 साल में, they will come and teach you. Brilliant. Please respect them. Please learn as much as you can. But ladies and gentlemen, the amount you will learn from each other will be unparalleled. And therefore they say, whether virtual, whether on campus, whether an off program, build friendships with your batch, because this is the same people who will stand by you, who should stand by you. Pull each other's hair, झगड़ा करो, projects पे काम करो, एक दूसरे के जो dark sides हैं वो भी explore करो. But get to that, because this is a fantastic opportunity that you have as you grow and develop yourselves. Because when you hit the ground, जब आप race track पे आते हो, 0 to 100 4 seconds. 0 to 100 3.9 seconds होना चाहिए नबील. और तब दुनिया आके देखेगी, अरे यार नॉर्मल 0 to 100 तो 6 seconds होता है, 7 seconds होता है, इसने कैसे किया 4 seconds? People need to then wonder how. And that how will be these 2 years of effort that each one of you all will put. Of course, attending classes, of course, learning new concepts and business models and management principles. But my only request is also learn some life skills like you just experienced today, because that is very important. But Nabil, once again, thank you very much for being such a sport and for having the courage to being subjecting yourself of why me? Why am I answering this? It is not easy. Salute to you, Nabil.
That was my pleasure, sir, by having words with you.
All right, guys, that's pretty much it from my side. But I wanted to thank you. You've been a fantastic audience. I know it could have been slightly difficult for some of you all. You all must have wondered, ke guest lecture hai, aayega, thoda pakayega, jayega. But I wanted to do something different with you. Thank you for sharing this space with me so that we could experiment with something different that you have not experienced before. And I wish you guys all the very, very best. Aditya knows this. I'm calling it out here one more time. This is not just one session with each one of you. I love doing this and committing my time. I've put my LinkedIn account on the chat. So if you want to stay in touch, reach out. Follow, do that anytime. Happy to be connected with you, your larger batch, anyone else that needs any kind of thing that I could help at any point in time. Aditya, once again, thanks so much for having me over.
Sahil, thanks so much for taking time off. And Sahil was very, very clear. It's true. Sahil had 60 minutes before he entered the class. We were very clear it's going to be 60 minutes and that's going to be it. And thanks to Nabil, you all had the pleasure of having Sahil for exactly 1 hour more. 120 minutes of Sahil Nair is something which even CEOs and VPs of companies don't get. So Nabil, you know, thank you so much for having that done. And I saw the process. I was an observer. And I think we're going to see a very different Nabil, not from tomorrow, not from day after tomorrow, but from today, from this moment onwards. And thank you so much for that, Sahil. You know, it's always a pleasure having you. That's why I sometimes get after you to come. But you know, I think our belief in you has always been reinforced. And I think today is again a day. I think there's not one student over here who will say that मुझे एक सेकेंड भी इस सेशन में वैल्यू नहीं आया है. And Sahil, that's all kudos to you. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay secure. And as I said, feel free to reach out any point in time. Aditya has my number. You can WhatsApp me. I'm available on Insta, LinkedIn, wherever. Just feel free to reach out.
Thanks a ton, Sahil. You have a great Saturday and weekend ahead of you, my friend.
Thank you. And guys, I would have loved for you to actually, I know you guys are hungry and I'm standing between you and lunch, but I'm sorry I tossed your expectations out of the window. I know you'll put 6-7 expectations on the chat, but we'll leave that for another session where we'll discuss more of those expectations and work on the functional aspect of your learning. Maybe another day, another time, but we'll catch up soon. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.
Bye, Sahil. Stay safe.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
sir.
I will just stop recording if it's all right with everyone.